Hello, I am Mrs. Geeta Dhundurwar, Assistant Professor of Communication Skills, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today in my session, I am going to discuss about emotional intelligence at workplace. At the end of this session, student will be able to understand the importance of emotional intelligence at workplace. An interesting thing is happening in the 21st century workplace. The more technology we have in this digital age, the more we automate tasks and trust machines to take over duties, the more we realize the importance of emotions. In the modern business world, there's a greater emphasis on good mental health than in any other previous generations. For the first time, employers on a widespread scale are embracing the importance of happy staff members. So, let us first see some of the examples of emotional intelligence in the workplace. The first example is people listen to each other in meetings. The next one is encourage an open office atmosphere where staff can express themselves without fear of criticism. The next example is start flexible working initiatives that promote a better work-life balance. This is a strong sign of emotionally intelligent leadership. Last example is people have the freedom to be creative. So, let us first discuss why emotional intelligence is important at workplaces. Take a pause, think about this question and try to give the answer. So, emotional intelligence at workplace. Emotional intelligence is widely recognized as a valuable skill that helps improve communication, management, problem solving, and relationships within the workplace. It is also a skill that researchers believe can be improved with training and practice. Emotional intelligence forms the juncture at which cognition and emotion meet. It facilitates our capacity for resilience, motivation, empathy, reasoning, stress management, communication, and our ability to read and navigate a plethora of social situations and conflicts. So, let us first see the importance of emotional intelligence in workplace. So, this is the first point, ability to understand and manage emotions effectively. Emotional intelligence is important as it gives you the ability to understand and manage emotions effectively. This ability can provide significant benefits in the workplace and can help further develop your career. The second importance is it creates the ability to create better relationships. Applying emotional intelligence in the workplace gives you the ability to create better relationships with your clients, co-workers, and promote a positive work environment for the whole team. Ability to understand non-verbal communication. Being emotionally intelligent gives you the ability to understand non-verbal communication. You have the chance to fix a situation before it becomes a problem. For instance, if you notice a co-worker is displaying non-verbal signs of sadness, you might take them aside to understand what is going on. The next point is self-awareness of personal emotions. Understanding emotions allow you to be aware of personal emotions. You can use this skill to adjust your behavior before it becomes an issue for a client or co-worker. If you know you had a rough night previously, you might attempt to change your behavior by shifting your focus towards more positive feelings. Develop strong interpersonal skills. Definitely, it will help you to develop strong interpersonal skills. Practicing emotional intelligence can help you develop strong interpersonal skills that can help your team and inspire your whole company. Emotions are contagious, and displaying explicit motivation, empathy, responsibility, and teamwork could encourage your team to follow along. It promotes progress also. Having an emotionally intelligent workforce promotes progress. When people are empathetic and understanding of each other's emotions, employees can make decisions with ease and complete tasks more efficiently. So definitely it promotes your progress. It also leads to further career development. Emotional intelligence can lead to further career development like pay raises and promotions. Emotional intelligence shares many of the same traits as leadership skills. Actively displaying abilities such as patience, active listening, positivity, and empathy can help you advance to a leadership role. So let us discuss how to improve emotional intelligence in the workplace. Emotional intelligence can be a significant contributor to be successful in the workplace. Improving emotional intelligence in the workplace can inspire your team and promote a positive work environment for everyone. Here are 5 steps to improve emotional intelligence in the workplace. The first step is identify your weaknesses. Before you begin to improve your emotional intelligence, it might be beneficial to identify your weaknesses. Self-assessing your emotional weaknesses allows you to guide yourself to become a more understanding communicator. For example, you might be great at helping people who verbally tell you how they are feeling, but you might not be as efficient at recognizing non-verbal communication. Think honestly when writing about your weaknesses and look back at your list frequently to identify your improvements. Review your history. After a self-assessment of your weaknesses, continue your evaluation by reviewing your history of emotional intelligence. Looking back on your emails and text messages gives you the ability to reflect on how you dealt with various situations. For example, you might realize an instance when you could have responded to someone more empathetically. Reflecting on your communication allows you to understand how to handle similar situations in the future more effectively. Receive feedback. To understand your emotional tendencies, receiving feedback from those you trust can help tremendously. It is those you trust who will give you honest feedback about how you are as a communicator, and the feedback you receive could be quite revealing. Practice daily. Practice everything you learn about emotional intelligence from yourself and others every day. Practice everything you learn about emotional intelligence from yourself and others every day. Identifying your weaknesses and asking for help and feedback can provide you with a list of tasks to practice. So, a high IQ alone is no longer enough. EQ is also that much, in fact, more important to succeed in your life. As a result, about 20% of organizations are now testing for emotional intelligence as a part of their hiring processes. So, these are some of the references I have used to make my PPT. Thank you so much.